Hello there, welcome to another video of SwiftCat. This is my 150th video of my YouTube channel. I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers, and once again, I'm thanking you. Let's start the content. In this video, I would like to discuss about the iOS developer salaries in India. So the content over here, it's mentioned the values mentioned in the INR, which is an Indian currency. So some of the viewers may be wondering who is an iOS developer. So I would say that iOS developer is a software profession who builds, designs, maintains application, especially for the Apple's iOS operating system. They use the language, I mean the programming language like Swift or Objective-C, and tools that they used is Xcode. All right, so iOS developer salaries in India are highly competitive, averaging from around 21 to 29 lakhs LPA, with the top talent and senior roles in the major hubs like Bangalore or Mumbai reaching over 50 lakhs per annum. Salaries ranging for the entry level, I would say it's 2.5 to 3.8 lakhs per annum, based on the rising quickly with the skills and all these stuffs. When it comes to the iOS developer salaries by the key cities, approximate annual. In Bangalore, it's considered it's around 10 lakhs to 24 lakhs. It's its highest concentration with the highest demand in Bangalore. Then comes to the Mumbai, it's around 9 lakhs to 16 lakhs. In Pune, 9 lakhs to 11 lakhs. Starting salaries around even 9.3 in Pune, according to the uh, content, according to the sources which they say. Some Hyderabad, I would say 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. Chennai, it's 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs. Hyderabad, uh, it's around 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs starting. Salary around 6.8, and that's in Ahmedabad. Then comes to Delhi, it's 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Uh, I'm from Kerala, Trivandrum, so I would say it's around 6 lakhs to 15 lakhs as an average iOS developer salary in Kerala. Uh, then comes the salary structure breakdown based on the experience. For a junior developer, around 1 to 3 years, it's considered 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. For a mid level who's around 4 to 6 years of experience, it's considered 9 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. And for a senior or a lead role, which is considered about 6 plus years, it's around 15 lakhs to 30 or 30, even 30 plus lakhs per annum. Then, so it's a company type. It's even if it's considered that's a product-based companies, and the US-based startups like Apple or top tech firms pay significant higher, often average around 29 lakhs per annum. So that's about the salaries and the average that I mentioned in this video. That's all about the iOS developer salaries in India. So these figures are from the market analysis from the latest 2025-26 sources. If you have a different opinion, you can just drop it in the comment box. Yeah, that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching.